It might take you about 100 words to do this class, correct? That's what I roughly expect. Is that okay? Is that clear?
500 words. Oh my god.
500 words, yeah.
Oh my, give me turn.
500 words is like, well, a lot of it's going to be like a table, in a table. It's not going to be that much continuous text. It's not going to be a table, it's going to be a rubric. The rubric is a table. The first part, in fact, it could be the table in which you describe the competence, the theme, and then the rubric, and that's probably it. And then be a paragraph, more than that. That's all. So not an essay. No essay. And you can base it on the posters you've done. I don't mind if the work that's being shared in groups, because each one of you will submit individually your own one, but it can be based on this work you've done in the past.
I have a question about rubrics. Do you think it's a good idea to use rubrics with the students, and how can you motivate them to use them?
Some people even suggest getting students to write rubrics. Or discussing them, doing simple rubrics and getting them. So you say, you're going to do a poster, you're going to do something, a lap post, something. So then you start to brainstorm, what should I have? Yeah? And they think, oh, you should have correct spelling. And you write on the board. You can brainstorm with the students what the assessment criteria are. And then you say, okay, what would be the very top? How many words should I have correct? 5 or 4? The students say, I think you should have 4. You say, no, 5. 4 or 5. And you can discuss it with the students. And really, in your mind, you're building the rubric. Yeah? And then, with primary kids, I would do the rubric the day after, based on your discussion. I say, this is what we talked about yesterday. What do you think? Okay? So to get the top mark, you need to have 5 words spelled correctly. You need to have a good explanation of this. You need to have this. So it is possible to involve the students in the rubric.
Okay.
It is possible. Yeah?
Thank you so much.
So they know what the criteria are. Because lots of teachers believe today that we should be very clear about what we want students to learn. So many teachers do this anyway. At the beginning of every class, you do what I'm looking for. You do, in today's lesson, we're going to be doing this. And what I want you to do in the lesson is this.